Hi guys, thank you for watching this video today. I just want to show you the models. The models have been sold, so I'm just gonna show on this video that these models are working properly. And of course, this is not motorized. And yes, is it Anis? Clarabel's new friend. Right here is the custom you previously watched on one of my videos. It's really nice and unique model, unique custom. Well, I think I sold a couple of stickers for this to some subscribers. But anyways, here is Eagle or Winston, the red engine right there. You see it's red wheels and black underneath chassis, and it's working. So I'm gonna do a little run right here. It's working great. Amazing. So the next model from today's shipment is the custom furnace railway Edward. You also watch and have seen this video on how they made this model here on YouTube. See, really nice model, and it's a talking version of Edward. So here it goes. So it is working right now. Let's see. So I do not ship these models with batteries due to restrictions on the local post office. They say no batteries on the models on any item. But anyways, so I hope you guys like this short and quick video. These models are going to the new owners. Thank you so much for buying my models. I hope you guys enjoy it, because anyways, here my models are just stored. But anyways, well, that's all for today. Bye.